Hello. We're going to learn the product rule and I'm going to prove why it's true. And this is what the product rule is. It says if you have a log of one number plus the log of another number to the same base, it's the log of those two numbers being multiplied. For example, if we have the log of 4 base 2 plus the log of 8 base 2, it'll be the log of 4 times 8 base 2, which is a log, in this case, it's log of 32 base 2. Now I'm going to prove to you why it is true. What I'm going to do is, let's say we've got the log A of B and the log A of C. Let M be the log A of B and N be the log A of C. Therefore, the rules of logs, that means A to the M equals B. That's the definition of logs. And if N is the log A of C, it means A to the N equals C. And B times C will equal A to the M times A to the N. And rules of exponents, when we multiply, we add the exponents. B times C is A to the power of M plus N. And what I'm going to do, if left equals right, the log of the left equals the log of the right. I put both to the base A. So A to the power of what gives us A to M plus N? It's A to the power of M plus N equals A to the power of M plus N. Therefore, that simply equals M plus N. And now what we do is, I still rewrite the left and we substitute back. M, we said over here that M is log A of B, and we said here that N is log A of C, and therefore the log A of BC equals the log A of B plus the log A of C. Thank you.